Okay, now in C language, we will discuss about the formats, different format specifiers. Okay, you click on this file, new project. Okay, under this console application, as a next, come to C, select, and you select any, keep a project title. Today I told you that format specifiers. So format specifier, this is the topic. So format specifier, this will be stored in C++ folder. No, we need to go for, this is we are studying, come down here, this is what C program, this is the, so this is our C program folder. This is for CPP, means C++. So you need to check the, select this one. So now in C drive, C program folder, this is our project name, format specifier. So no need to keep a project file name. Automatically format specifier .cpp means code blocks. This is code block, okay, designed by code blocks. Okay, so they will be taken automatically. This is the path. C, under the C drive, C program folder, format specifier is a project name. After that, format specifier.cpp. So these two need not to write yourself. Only you need to mention a project title and the folder you need to choose. Come down next. Here, this is the compiler. Okay, GNU collection. Okay, compiler collection. GNU compiler collection. Okay, next, finish. Okay, now here this is the place. What happened here? I want to see here. Come here, format specifier. Under this format specifier, this is our project name. Under this, click on this main.c. Okay, we are studying about C. Okay, now your work area, change it from C++ to, as I told you that this code blocks can be used for both C and C++. Before you were seeing the what, that is what C++ window. So here, whenever you, this is C++, this project basics, that is C, if you run this is C++ code. Okay, so I told you that this is the C++ now, but I want to do what, this is the project. Under this main C dot C dot cpp means dot C++. Now you run this. So now if you are not looking well this, okay, you change this background to white background. Go for setting, editor, come down here, under this syntax highlighting, you click here, foreground, background, you change this as white color. Okay, white color, then okay. How are you seeing? Are you seeing okay? Are you seeing nice? I think it is better for now. Okay, if you want to say it, if you want to bold, now you go for again editor, change, you change settings, and this is the style. If you want to change the font size and bold, you have selected bold. Okay, and anything, if you want to change the text size, text format, font, if you want to change any one, okay, you can select from here. Underline, color black, white color black. Okay, now okay, your font is in green now. Now here, as I told you that I am commenting here, double quotation marks. Try to understand format specifiers, specify, but comment, you are not looking comment well, so you need to change this as, you go for settings, editor, syntax, highlighting, comment normal, you change this color as black, go. Okay, but it is not changed. So as I discussed that format specifiers, different format specifiers. Apart from that, we will discuss format specifiers. Long means float long. Okay, LF, long float. Format specifier long float means long float. Okay, long float that is used for what? First create a float is equal to integer data type, and then you need to create a variable. A variable is equal, suppose x is equal 70.5. how many digits I want to use here? Suppose if I want to use this much of float number, now it is what happened, try to understand. This is how many digits? 1 2 3 3 6 9. So we can't use the float to store this much of decimal points. Okay, the float can store only up to 5 or 6 digits of the accuracy. Precision is decimal precision up to 6 digits. So now if you run this code, what happened, you will see here, you will get whether you will get the, okay, you are getting, okay, but if I want to get this printout, that moment you printf, use printf bracket double quotation mark format specifier star, that is what, percentage f. Okay, then you need to comma, you need to say x. Then now you want to, this format specifier I have used to get the output, to get the printout of whatever the value stored in this variable. This is, I want to get this, but by this format specifier can I get the value stored in this variable? I told you that format specifier will be used to say to compiler this variable is storing which type of data. So now run this code, let us see. I am getting, okay, now this is okay. So if I increase the size to somewhat digits, then what, let us see, more digits I have used it. But see, try to understand what happened here. Up to how many digits it has given? It is rounded up to 888, 6 digits. It has taken up to 6 digits, 888, okay, it has taken up to 6 digits. So if I want to get the total, so that moment you need to declare this as double. So that moment you need to use the format specifier LF means long float. You run this code now, you are getting up to only what, you are getting only this much. Okay, I want to get